Top 10 largest birds in the world. Number 10. Dalmatian pelican. Length, 1.8 meters. Weight, 11.5 kilograms. Wingspan, 3.5 meters. Number 9. Albatrosses. Length, 1.35 meters. Weight, 12 kilograms. Wingspan, 3.5 meters. Number 8. Cory buster. Length, 1.5 meters. Weight, 11.4 kilograms. Wingspan, 2.4 meters. Number 7. Mute swan. Length, 1.3 meters. Weight, 11.6 kilograms. Wingspan, 2.4 meters. Number 6. Turkey. Length, 1.2 meters. Weight, 13 kilograms. Wingspan, 1.8 meters. Number 5. Greater rhea. Length, 1.34 meters. Weight, 23 kilograms. Wingspan, 2.5 meters. Number 4. Emperor penguin. Height, 1.14 meters. Weight, 31.5 kilograms. Wingspan, 0.7 meters. Number 3. Cassowary. Height, 1.5 meters. Weight, 45 kilograms. Wingspan, 2 meters. Number 2. Emus. Height, 2 meters. Weight, 36 kilograms. Wings, 7 to 8 inches. Number 1. Ostrich. Height, 2.8 meters. Weight, 120 kilograms. Wingspan, 2 meters. An ostrich is the biggest living bird in the world. So that's our top 10 largest birds in the world. Thank you for watching.